So come up with some plans with your agency on what to say and how to cross-sell clients and change them. So use the terms, use the words, and then change them up until you find what works. Hi, Therese here with Agency Performance Partners, and thanks for joining me. This is a 3-minute video on cross-selling insurance during a service call. So when somebody calls you to change out a car or make a payment or get a certificate, are we asking the question? It's really, really important that we kind of get in the habit of just asking those questions over and over again, even if you've already asked them before. Let's say somebody called in to change out a vehicle on a policy. I would say, hey, I took care of this. We changed this vehicle out. These are the coverages. Do you have any questions about those coverages? And hey, I noticed that you don't have property insurance with us. Do you rent or own your home? That one is the easiest one that is out there. It's just easy to ask. It's easy to roll out of the mouth. So once you have that habit of asking that question, it just becomes something that you do every single time you talk to somebody who has auto and no home. Now, you need to make sure that you review the file, the management system, to make sure that they don't have a property policy, because you don't want to stick your foot in your mouth. And then if you have somebody who calls in who has a property policy and doesn't have auto, you could just say, hey, I've completed the changes you requested on your homeowner's policy, but I noticed there's a discount that you don't have. So you're basically engaging and getting their interest. You're doing a call to action by saying, hey, I noticed a discount you don't have. And you can do this with every single call. You're not getting the combining policy discount. You don't have to say it that way, but you can say, hey, I noticed that you're not getting a discount. Can I quote your auto policy for you to see if maybe I can't save you money on your property policy and possibly your auto policy wherever it may be? So we look for auto, no home, home, no auto. Then you can look for home and auto, no umbrella policy, because when you have the home and the auto, you want to see if you can't get the umbrella. The umbrella policies are pretty economical. They're pretty cheap unless they have an inexperienced operator or they have liability issues. So you definitely want to kind of overlook the entire policy before you ask those kind of questions, because you want an ideal customer. But then if they have home, auto, and umbrella, then you go on to the life insurance. It's a great idea to get generational charts and actually kind of get your wording right when you're asking about life insurance, because if you say to a 20-year-old, hey, do you need life insurance? They're going to say no, because they don't want to think about death or dying. So you have to kind of phrase it as retirement plan or mortgage protection. So you have to look into those different wordings and how to talk to customers when you're cross-selling. So come up with some plans with your agency on what to say and how to cross-sell clients and change them. So use the terms, use the words, and then change them up until you find what works. So you always want to be improving and getting better and testing different strategies to see what works. Once you find it, keep using it. And then if it stops working, change it. So that's my tips today on cross-selling insurance during your service calls. Make sure you're asking those questions. Can I put you on EFT and automatic withdrawal? Because you get a huge discount if we do that. So make sure you're asking those questions. Make sure you're cross-selling those policies, because it's one of the greatest ways to retain and to grow. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.